To go see your new home?
You ready? All right, here we go.
Here we go. Oh no, they have no clue yet. Let's see how it goes. Do you smell something? Do you smell something? Oh my goodness, what is it?
Downsy.
What is it? Oh no, it can't be. You're kidding me. This has to be a dream. Are you guys gonna be nice? Are you gonna be nice? Are you gonna be love? You gonna be love? Yeah, just a new partner. Just a new housemate. It's one just like Lucy, but it's white. Is it stained? Do you like him, little boy?
What do you think, Abby?
Do you like him?
Abby.
Be nice. Be love.